how do you connect the iPad with the Apple iPencil, right? How does that work? So let me explain it. If it's your first time here, subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and explanations like this one in the future. So the Apple products usually connect very seamlessly. Like, you open up the AirPods, put them in your ear, and it all works fine. And the same thing applies to the Apple Pencil. All you have to do is just to magnetically connect it to the side of the iPad. I'm obviously talking about the later generation of the Apple Pencil. The earlier models had to be plugged in with a port to the Lightning connection of the iPad, but usually the newer models, you just snap the Apple Pencil on the side. It should be recognized and charged right away, and you will be able to use it to control your iPad. You will be able to also find a dedicated menu within the settings for it for the Apple Pencil, where you're going to change some settings for specifically that accessory. The only issue is that the Apple Pencil only works with the selected iPad models. That's one thing. And even not every single Apple Pencil works with every single iPad model. It's a bit more complicated. For example, if I use the very same Apple Pencil and try to connect it to this iPad mini 7th generation, or the latest one, which most definitely supports the Pencil, well, it doesn't work, it doesn't connect, and it doesn't get recognized because I need a different Apple Pencil specifically made to work with this iPad. I know it's a bit weird or unexpected, but that's how it works, and you have to kind of like ask at the Apple Store which iPad are supported for that Apple Pencil. So if you cannot connect it, for example, if I try to set up the connection with this Apple Pencil and this iPad mini, well, I would never really do it because, it's not really an issue of the software or anything. It's just not possible, right? So that is something that a lot of people kind of miss. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to set up the connection, or if there is something which didn't work and you suspect that you don't have the matching pair of the accessory. So yeah, let me know about that below. Thanks a lot, and I hope to see you later in other future updates and videos like this one.